Good morning. This is the video for today's lesson, counting in tens, 100s, 1000s, 10,000s and hundreds of thousands. So we've been building up on our knowledge on place value over the last couple of weeks, and we're starting to come towards the end of it. So we're working in lots of the different place value columns. So this one here, this first lot is just sequences, and you just got to think what's happening in each sequence, fill in the blanks, and then write down what has happened. So you've got those ones there. Then here you're in each one you've got to count up in different things. So your starting number is 4 in each one, and here you're counting up in tens, then you count up in hundreds, then you count up in thousands, and then here what is the same and what is different about all your answers. Number 3, you've got a part of a sequence, and it's asking you to circle numbers that you think will appear in the same sequence that you've got there, and explain your answer. Then try and write down 3 other numbers that go in that same sequence that you've got up here. Here you've got a Gatengo chart, and you've just got some numbers that are highlighted. So each of those are part of the number. So if you kind of partition it, you've got 200,000 plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 50. And you've got nothing in the ones column. And it's got some things for you to do. So first of all, what number is represented? If you add 100 to the number, which counter moves and in which direction? If you subtract 10,000, which counter moves and in which direction? And what happens when a counter reaches the end of its row? What do you do? And then number 5 is asking you to complete the table. So you've got your starting numbers here, then you're adding 10 more, 100 more, 1,000 more, 10,000 more, 100,000 more, each way along. So just add it to the original number, not add it to the number that was here, but add it to the original number. Can you see any patterns in what you've done? See if you can write some things down here. And then finally, you've got number 6. You've got a number represented here on a place value chart. And Brett adds 2 counters to the place value chart. So he can add them anywhere. So you can put 2 in one column, or you can put 1 in 2 different columns. And then it's asking you to write down a few numbers. What numbers could Brett have made? So there's not. So there's more than one answer to this. Just write down 3 or 4. And then the last question is, why can't Brett add both of his counters to the hundreds column here? So why can't he add them both there? Talk to your partner, or maybe write something down. Perhaps is probably better. Okay, I hope that was helpful. And we'll be moving on to the next one tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.